Okay, Bismillah, walhamdulillah, Assalamu alaikum, Cam. We're now on our final thing for verbs, our final new concept to introduce you to, and that is negation. And negation is pretty much just like commands, but you're putting it into the negative. So rather than telling somebody now to help, hit, run, you're saying don't help, don't hit, don't run. Right? It's in the negative now. And there's a 3-step process to achieving this. First, you start with the present tense verb in second person, and it's second person because you can't give a command or a negation to somebody who's not in front of you. If you're speaking about somebody or someone who's not there currently, or about yourself, third person or first person, you can't give a command. You can't give a command to yourself, nor can you give a command to someone who's not there. So first step, grab the present tense verb in second person. Second step, put a sukoon on the end, very similar to command. And then third, add a lam to the beginning. So these are the second persons, and we're going to work with this one for all the examples. So tansuru, right? So it would be tansuru, which means you help, right? So tansuru, it becomes tansur. And then la tansur, so don't help, don't help. And then takrumu, which means he is noble, becomes takrum. And then la takrum, don't be noble. Then we have tuslimu, tuslim, la tuslim, right? Tu'allimu, tu'allim, la tu'allim. So remember before in command we chopped this off, and in some cases we had to add on stuff, in other cases we didn't. Since we're not chopping this off, this first letter here, we don't need to add anything on other than the lam. So then we have taftah, taftah, taftahu becomes taftah, and then la taftah, so don't open, don't open. So this is how it is applied to masculine singular second person with tensur. So when you're dealing with tensurani, tensuruna, you don't put a sukoon on here. Rather what you do is that you just drop the noon. Drop the noon. Drop the noon. Drop the noon. And then in this case, the noon doesn't drop. This is the exception. It just stays. So in all these cases, the noon gets dropped. It's known as noon and niswa. It's a noon that can be dropped. And yeah, that is it for command and negation. Let's just go ahead and run through the chart. So now that you've covered everything in the chart, it can be read as this. Actually, we'll do another video where I just read through it. Alright, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.